we have got a leak in the wall. We had water running down the handrail, and bit of water going down the handrail, and Leah put her ear against the wall here. This is where the vanity unit is on the other side in the bathroom, and we got a noise here, water leaking down here, and we got water downstairs. So I'm going to cut a hole in here, and we'll see if it's leaking from here.
I wonder if the phone actually would pick up that noise. I'll just put it here. Hey babe. Oh, you already put a hole?
You video?
Yeah.
I don't need the hammer. It was so wet.
Oh my god.
Come up here.
Yeah.
It's all wet.
It's
Look at
wet.
that. Okay, there's a pipe in there.
Oh, you hear that? I pressed this and then the noise is gone. So it must be behind this here.
I can see it leaking up here.
Oh, here.
There it is, there.
Here you go. It's squirting. I was right then, hey. I put
Yeah,
my
look.
ear in there. Yeah. So that's where the leaking is where Brian's hand. Ah, wow. It looks like it's corroded.
That's our leaking pipe.
Oh no.
We don't need a plumber, I can fix that myself.
Yeah, we did try to call a few plumbers around, and they kind of, we will call you back, just leave your name, your phone number.
Okay. Let's go and turn the mains off.
Okay. So we can hear it for 2 days, that noise, zizzing noise. So we pulled this all out, and I told Brian it's definitely we have a leak somewhere because it was making really funny noises, and so Brian put a hole in here, and what he discovered is wet. That's all right, it's wet, so definitely we have leaking. So Brian's gonna go and turn off the main.
Okay, this is where the mains is here. I discovered it when we first moved in, and we've got this little patio area out here, so I marked it on here so that the real estate will know where the turn off valve is, and I hinged it. It's our little deck area. I marked it W for water.
You better turn off. Okay, I'll hold it, Pops. Okay.
It's alright, there you go. Okay, that's our mains.
Need to turn it off. Brian's gonna turn it off. Oh, lucky you're carpenter, Brian.
Oh shit, that's hard. Go and run the sink tap.
Okay. Yeah, is this just to lose pressure and to know if that's off? Yeah, it's slowing down now. It's probably water from upstairs. So we found it out. It was the other day, when we woke up, we can hear this sizzling noise, and I said to Brian, I think we have a leaking somewhere here. And of course my hearing, well, his hearing is not as good as mine, and we thought it's gonna be that bad, but luckily it's not that bad. It's only a small leaking, and of course Brian is a carpenter, very handy. He's just gonna fix it. I'm just gonna cancel everything because I call few plumbers, and the first one says, I'll call you back in 5 or 10 minutes, and hasn't called me back. And of course I called 2 more plumber, and it's just a recording machine. Just leave your name and your phone number. So it's a bit difficult when you actually have an emergency, you know, like a bad water leak, and they can't come straight away. Luckily Brian is a plumber. He's confident he can fix it, so that's good. Yeah, so you're just gonna get some stuff from Bunnings, which is a hardware shop. Just very good shop. You can buy everything in there. Just gonna call my friend, her husband. They have car. If he can give Brian a lift to Bunnings to get something, it would be good. Okay, let's call them now. Yeah.
Okay, this is the push on.
Do you want me to go on that side, Pop?
So that's 25. And that is 1, 2, it's 25 there. Okay.
He's trying to fix something.
But he's not a plumber.
That's there.
He's a carpenter.
Exactly.
Yeah, he's also a plumber.
That's both different things. It's like saying, oh, you're a doctor, right? Meaning you can be also a veterinary.
Or a dentist.
Yeah. So there's 3 different things. Might break it.
Okay, so Brian already put this on, and he turned on the water in the bathroom, which is there, and also the sink. And there's no more noise, no leaks.
Fixed.
Fixed, babe.
Yeah.
Well done.
That's
Very
just
good.
that's a fitting. You don't have to do anything. You just install it. It's got seals in there. And yeah, it's got rubber ring seals in it, so you just push the pipe in, the copper pipe in, and that's it, done. Voila.
Voila. Thanks guys for watching.
Thanks Bunnings. I think that fitting was about like $7 or something for that fitting.
Oh, okay, that's all.
And I also brought
gosh.
a gyprock kit to
plug it.
gyprock the hole, so but I need to dry this out.
So how much do you think it will cost if we got the plumber to come and fix that?
It's probably $500. $500 cost me
$7.
$8 for a fitting, $27 for the kit, $40 probably all up.
Okay.
And the plumber's not going to fix the hole anyway, so really the plumbing side of it only cost me $8 against $500, and the plumber wouldn't have fixed the plaster, wouldn't have repaired the plaster anyway.
So that's a different job, you're saying? The plastering, I mean.
Yeah,
if
plumbers
they're not
don't
gonna-
do that.
Oh my gosh, so you're just paying 500 and then you have to get someone to plug the hole.
Yeah, you got to pay a carpenter or a plasterer to plaster up the hole, and then you got to pay for a painter to paint it. So this has all happened just before we're going to rent it out. So luckily it happened now and not later.
Yeah. See you later, guys, and hope you will subscribe to our channel. We usually vlog about traveling, of course, and some tourist destination, some nice places, of course. At the moment, mucking around here, and we are hoping to go back to the Philippines next month, hopefully. I'd just like to say thank you to our friend Lance and Lenny. You probably already know we sold our car. We don't have a car to drive around, and I called them. They came over here straight away and give us a hand. Thank you so much, guys. I'd just like to say thank you so much to our friend Lance and Lenny. They are the one that was with us when we went to Davis Creek. If you haven't seen our video, guys, please scroll onto our videos. We have a lot of videos with them, and yeah, so that's Lance and Lenny with their beautiful daughter Mia, which is very close friend with my daughter too. They get on well. Yeah.
This is the product I used, called Smartex.
Smartex,
Okay, Smartex.
Half inch.
This is for half-inch copper
Stretch.
pipe. This here, Smartex, is just a copper pipe joiner. So it was a union. So it was half-inch copper pipe, half-inch copper pipe. The hole was here. I cut the pipe where the hole was, and then just slipped this fitting over that one, and then slipped it over the other one, marking the copper pipe 25 millimeters, so I could see that it's going in the full length. So you mark it with a black marking pen on both sides, so you know it's going in. It has to go in 22 millimeters, and it gives you the instructions on the back. And then it seals when the water pressure goes in. The coupling tightens on, and there's steel teeth in there that grip. The harder the pressure is, the more the steel grip onto the pipe. And then there's an O-ring, and the O-ring fills with water and seals the pipe. There was no leak there at all. I turned the water on. We've got really strong mains water here. I was expecting to find a bit of a leak, and then it slowly stopped. No leak at all, nothing. So first time I've used these. So this is the next stage. After that dries out, I'll have to leave the hole upstairs open for a while because all the gyprock got wet. Right down to the floor. It was leaking upstairs and leaked right down this wall here, and I cut a hole in the back of the wall there, which you could see in the previous video that Leah did. So I've got to let that water dry upstairs around the gyprock before I can start fixing the where I had to cut the gyprock away to fix it. So I got this kit, $27 gyprock kit from Bunnings. Yeah, I think it opens here. Bye.